Hi again, folks. Karina Centeno here with Solar Holler. Today we're going to take a look at the third and final phase of our solar installation process, the AC install. As you know from our previous videos, AC stands for alternating current and is a type of current used in standard home outlets. Here at Michael's home, we've completed the tech evaluation and installed his panels. Remember, they produce DC current. So today's task is to wire everything up to actually invert the DC power to AC and route it to the house and exterior meter. Typically, this takes about 2 days and can come with some temporary intermittent loss of power for our team's safety. Not to worry, these outages are often brief and our project management team will let you know what to expect in advance. Since our crew needs access to the interior of the home as well as the exterior, it's best if the homeowner can be present for this phase of the project. Our first step is to run conduit that will house the wires connecting the panels to the home. Typically, these are on the home's exterior, from the roof to the exterior meter area. If your project calls for interior conduit runs, we'll need access to the attic. If you have a ground mount, we'll construct a trench to lay the conduit in so power can flow from the ground mount site to the home. Trenching may also be required for solar arrays that feed more than one structure, like a detached garage or a shop. We'll use a small machine called a trencher, or for longer distances, a mini excavator to complete this work. Now that all the conduit is in place, we'll mount any remaining system components and start final connections between the home and the utility grid. At this point, our electricians will perform any necessary upgrades. We'll need access to the interior breaker panel for this, so please make sure we've got a few feet of clearance around it. And if you've opted to add a battery backup system, we'll need clear access to that area as well. With those final connections in place, we're ready to complete commissioning, which basically means we'll verify that your system has the correct voltage and is ready to be safely connected to the grid. And that's it. You are officially ready to be tied into the grid and start powering your home with solar.